Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide the starred files section from your Dropbox home screen using the latest update. If you've ever found that the starred section clutters your view or you simply don't use it much, this quick guide will help you keep your Dropbox interface clean and tailored to your preferences. First, open the Dropbox app on your device and head straight to the Home tab. This is the main page where you see your recent files, folders, and different sections like starred, which highlights files you've marked as important. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the home page. You'll find an option labeled Customize. Tap on that to open your customization settings. This is where Dropbox gives you control over what sections appear on your home screen when you open the app. Inside the Customize menu, you'll see a list of available sections. Look for the starred section in this list. To hide it, simply toggle the switch off. This action disables the starred files section from appearing on your home screen, decluttering the interface instantly. Once you've toggled off starred, don't forget to tap Save at the bottom of the page to confirm your changes. If you skip this step, your preferences won't be applied, and the starred section will remain visible. After saving, go back to your Dropbox Home tab, and you'll notice that the starred files section is no longer showing. This simple customization can make your Dropbox experience more streamlined and suited to what you actually use. And that's all it takes. Hiding the starred section is straightforward and helps keep your Dropbox Home tab focused on what matters most to you. If you decide later that you want the starred files back, just follow the same steps and toggle it on again. Thanks for watching.